Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn handling of dropdown in Selenium. Firstly, we have identified the dropdown. Okay, so that I will open the Chrome browser. In that, I will open reddit.com website in the Chrome browser and click on the create account. Okay, so click on that and see date of birth always in day, month, year. Okay, so click on the day. These are the top count. Okay, click on the month. This is a drop down. Okay, and also click on year. This is a drop down. So firstly we have to right click on this page, inspect this page, and click on this arrow and go to day, month, or year. Okay, go here and see the HTML code. Select it is a tag name. Okay, month. See here, go to move the cursor on month. This is the select is a tag name, and also year it's a select is a tag name. Okay, so I will click on this month. See here, this select is a tag name means what? It is a list box. Okay, it is a what? List box. Select tag name, always tag name is start from the select. It is a list box. Okay, that's why here we will use the select class. Okay, so see the in the next web page. See here, this product, click on that. This is a drop down. Okay, this animal, this is the animal, this is a drop down, and this is a food item. These are also drop down. So in fact this page and check it is a list box or customized list box. That's why I click on this arrow and go to the product drop down. See here, this is a tag name is select. Okay, so it's a list box. And also go to the animal. This is a select is a tag name means it is a list box. It's not a customized list box. Okay, that's why here we will use select class method. Okay, so first step is what? See here, first step, identify drop down or list box which need to be handled and store it in reference variable. See here, go to our web page and find out the firstly export of the this product. Go here. Okay, here we will use in the select tag name this id attribute we will use, and this attribute value use. So that's why find out the firstly export expression forward slash, use the tag name, it's a select. After that square bracket at the rate, attribute name is what? id equal to in single quote first is a attribute value. Okay, close the square bracket. See, it's a one-of-one matching and it's convert in yellow color. Okay, so see here, this export expression I will copy from here and paste in our Eclipse. So firstly we have to create a package. In that package we have to create a class. You can give name as your requirement for package and class name. And after that in the main method we have to launch firstly browser. After that browser we have to open URL. For that driver.get method call from the WebDriver and put here URL. I will use this URL. Okay, I will use this URL. So paste here. After that first step is what? Identify drop down. That's why here driver dot find element method by the class which is present static methods expression I will use, and this product expert expression, find out this expression and copy from here and paste in this expert expression, and these store in one reference variable. What is this reference variable name? Product. Okay, and what is written that? It's written web element. So see here. After that, second step is what? Create an object of select class which accept web element argument. Okay, so see, firstly create object of select class. Select, give the reference variable name equal to new select, and give argument as an this reference variable. Okay, this web element reference variable. Okay, complete the syntax. After that, firstly we have to import the package of the select from here. Okay, next step is what? Here, to select class method to select the options. Here various methods are present in our select class. So here select by index, select by value, select by visible text. That is what is meant by that. See here, this is a select by index. Select by index, this is a method. Select the drop down options by its index number. So see here in our web page, and this is our product HTML coding. In that, these are the products. Okay, so here we have to find out the index. So index is always start from the 0. So this Bing, it's a 0, it's Google, it's a 1, iPhone, it's a 2, and Yahoo, it's a 4. So I will want to click on Yahoo. That's why here I will select the index by using 3. Okay, so select by index firstly and put the index value 3. Whenever it's run this program and select by index 3 value is Yahoo. Okay, see, 3 value is Yahoo. So see here, after that some weights add here, thread dot slip, give it's in milliseconds. I will give 3 seconds. Okay, and add throw declaration. Okay, so run this program. Now it's launch a browser. Open a browser, maximize it, navigate to URL, and see, click on Yahoo and close it. See, click on Yahoo, and after that close this window. Here we are not use the syntax, that way it's not close the window. Driver dot quit or close. I will use quit method. Okay. So this one is closed manually. After that, next method is what? Select by value. Select by value. This method select the drop down option by its value, and we provide a string value as an argument. So see here, this is a value in the C in our HTML page, HTML coding. This is a value, it's a Microsoft value, it's a Google value, it's a Apple value, it's a Yahoo. So I will use this Google string, okay, and use the syntax of select by value. Firstly, we have to comment here, and after that use the select by value, this one, and return argument as a string Google. It's in double quotes here. So now I will run this program and see what happens. Open browser, maximize this window, navigate to URL, select by value, it's a Google, and close the window. Okay. So next is method is what? Select by visible text. Okay. Text is always in, see here in HTML code, or text is always in present in a greater than, in between greater than and less than symbol. Okay. So here Bing, Google, iPhone, Yahoo, these are the what? These are the text. So I want to use the iPhone text. Okay. This is always use string. Okay. So copy this iPhone and paste in our, firstly I will comment here and use the today dot select by visible text. Text is always in string. Okay. So in the double quote, use the iPhone. Now I will run this program. From right click and run as Java application. Run this and see here what happened. Open a browser, maximize this window, navigate to URL and see iPhone. Okay, and close this window like that. Next method is what? Is multiple. Okay, firstly we have to see multiple drop down. Okay, what is meant by multiple drop down? It means a multiple option we will select here. Okay, multiple option we will select here. So that's why see here, firstly inspect this multiple drop down. Okay, and we have to find out this XPath expression. Here I will use ID, attribute name, and second it is a attribute value. So only here all are same here, only attribute value is change, it's a second. Okay, see here it's a one of one matching, and copy this expression and put here. Okay, so we have to firstly identify a web element and store in one reference variable. Firstly we have to type a driver dot find element by dot XPath expression, and here copy this expression, paste this here and complete this syntax and store in one reference variable. It's a food. Okay, and it's return web element. Okay, so now firstly we will check here, this is a, this web element, it is a multiple selectable or single selectable. Firstly we have to check here, it's a multi-selectable or single selectable. Okay, so that's why pd dot is multiple. Okay, it's return true or false means it's a return boolean. Okay, and store it is a one reference variable equal to what is result, its result multi-selectable or single selectable, it's a boolean. Okay, now we have to find store print this statement output. For that use this system.out.println and store the give reference variable here. So what is written here? See here, run this program, check here, it is a multi-selectable or single selectable. If it is a single selectable, it is a return false, and it's multi-selectable, it returns true. Okay, so see in our console, see here false because it's only single selectable. So here it's a multi-selectable. So here firstly we have to create option of the select class, select food equal to new select and give as an argument web element reference variable food. Complete syntax, and after that now I will check it is a multi-selectable or not. Is multiple. Okay, it's return food. Okay, so what is written? Result 2 equal to, it's written a boolean means true or false. So here use system.out.println and use the reference variable result 2. Now let's run the program and it's written true because it is a multi-selectable. Okay, so see here, open browser, maximize, navigate to URL. After that, close it. Here, first one is false because it's a single selectable, and second one is true because it's a multi-selectable. So see, it is a multiple method is completed. Okay, so next, firstly you have to select the food item. That's why here I use fd dot select by value. What is value here? See, what is value? I will select this burger. Okay, copy from here and paste the select by value here. Okay, now second fd dot select by index. Okay, I will use the index here. Index always start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I will use the first pizza. Okay, so here index put 0. Okay, and next one fd dot select by visible text. Text is always in string. So see what is text here? Bonda. Here bonda I will use, copy and paste in visible by text here. Okay, so see here multiple option select here. So I will use here thread dot sleep. Give it 2 seconds because we have to check this select or not. Okay, thread dot sleep. Here give 2 seconds, and also here thread dot sleep. Here give 2 seconds. So from the weight here add, because this burger, this index, bunda, it's selectable or not. That's why. See, iPhone. So now it's multiple value. Firstly burger select, after that pizza, after bonda. It's multi-selectable. Okay. It's now closed. Okay. So next method is what? Here get all selected option. We have to get all selected option, means this method returns all selected option of the drop down. Okay, means what? These all pizza, burger, bunda, these are the selected options. We have to print in console these selected option. that that time we will use get all selected option. Okay, if it is a single select drop down, this method will return only selected value of the drop down, and if it is a multi-selector will return, this is a method will return all selected value of the drop down. Okay, so see here, now use first comment here multi select, and here comment here single select. Okay, now use get all selectable. This method use get all selected options. Comment here get all selected options. For that use eft dot get all selected option. Okay, store its reference variable get all select options equal to its return list of web element. Okay, see, now we have to print this all these selected option. That's why here I use for each loop. In that, copy this reference variable get all select options, and here paste here and store in one object like s sorry s. Okay, store one object, and this return, what is return? It's a web element return. Web web element. Okay. Now we have to print this statement. For that, use the system.out.println, and here use s dot, what is this method for the printing? Get text method. return string. And this quit method will cut from here and paste here. So run this program and check what happened now. Only selected options are printing in our console. Navigate to URL. Say iPhone, burger, pizza, select the Bonda and close this window. See this pizza, burger, Bonda, these are the get selected options. Okay, like that use here. So after that we have to see next method, get first selected option. Only we have to get first selected option. That's why we use this method fd dot get selected option. First select option. Okay, store this one reference variable. First, what is written? It's written web element. Okay, now we will printing this statement system.out.println and first dot we have to use get text method. Here it's written string. Okay, so now see, firstly comment here what we have to do here. Get first selected option. Okay. Run this program. See, open the browser, maximize it, navigate to URL, and what is first selected option? First selected option is here. See in the console. First selected option is pizza. Okay. First selected option is pizza. So next method is what? Get options. Firstly, we have to see deselect by index. Okay. Deselect by value, deselect by visible text, or deselect by all. If I will use deselect by all, means pizza, burger, bonda, these are the food item deselected. Okay, and when we use deselect by index, okay, when we use deselect by index, so here we use here deselect by index. It is a select by index. Here you use deselect by index, then after this index is deselected. Okay, so see, I will here use firstly the select by index. Okay, so fd dot deselect by index, like that. And what is index is? It's a 0. So run this program. First we have to add some weights here because it's deselected or not. We will check here. Select, give it 2 seconds. It's in milliseconds. Run this program and see what happened. It's when it's select by index. So here pizza will deselect. Okay. So open browser, navigate to web page, URL, and see here. Firstly burger, after that pizza, after that bonda, and after pizza is deselect, here deselect it. Okay, and close the browser like that. After that, same here, deselect by value. It's a here we will syntax fd dot deselect by value, and value it's a what, burger. Okay, when we use this syntax, that time automatically burger it's a deselect. And this deselect by index, deselect by value, deselect by visible text is only, these syntax are only used in a multi selectable. Okay, not a single selectable. Okay, so see here, when I use here deselect by visible text, use here, then get in console get some exception. Okay, so pd dot deselect by visible text, see here, and text is what, I, see here, iPhone. Now I will run this program and see what happens. We give some exception. Open this browser. See, it's not perform the this deselect by iPhone. That's why this process is not goes on further process. Okay, next multiple value. Okay, so see here we got the unsupported operation exception. Okay, means what, it's not operate on the single selectable, single select by visible text. Okay, that's why here comment here. Okay, right, this message, it is not used in single selectable. Okay, so last one is what, get options. Okay, we use the get options. What is the use of the get options? These options we have to get, means what is in the drop down, these options we will get. Okay, by using the get options. So use here, let's comment here, get options. Okay, so here use fd dot get options. Okay, store in one object or reference variable, get options, and what is written, it's written list of web element. Okay, so for this I will use for each loop. For each loop, in this use get options reference variable, and store this reference variable in one object s2. Okay, equal to, and what is written, it's written web element. Okay, it's written web element. Open the body for the for each loop and printing the syntax system dot out dot println and yes dot, what is for the printing method, get text method. Okay, so now I will run this program. I will run this program. Launch a browser. Maximize it. Maximize this browser. Navigate to URL and save. Now close it. This window close. So see, this bonda, burger, donut, pizza. These are the options we will get in the our food drop down. Okay, these options are we have to get the food drop down. See here, and these are the before that sentence. Okay, I'll put it on this. See here, these are the drop down: pizza, donut, burger, bonda, like that. So in this video, we will learn how to handle drop down in Selenium. In that, use select class method. These are the select by index, select by value, select by visible text, is multiple, get all selected by option, get first selected by option, get options, deselect by index, deselect by value, deselect by visible text, and deselect by all. Okay, we are doing. Thank you for the watch video.